Check it. What's up, guys? You are back with another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at BTC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. We're going to look at those two charts, and we're looking at some altcoins fundamentals, what the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets are going on, the current breakout that's happening right now, my predictions for that breakout, and why my predictions have been on track, and everything I'm looking at. So let's waste no more time, hop in the facts, the charts, the data, and see what we have going on. Guys, you are back with another video with Data Zero, and in this video we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. Guys, the breakout that I was telling you is coming, is here. Guys, I called this, I told you this was coming, and we've seen all the technicals, and now everything is lining up, and this is happening. 29K hit, price target hit. Now, I did say 30 to 32,000 is in play. So I do expect Bitcoin to go to 30 to 32,000. Now, we could have a small pullback, but I'm thinking we're going to start an uptrend, go all the way to 30 to 32,000, maybe 29,000.5, then have a small pullback to probably this level here to 28,000, 27,000, and continue up to about 40 to 50,000. I know it sounds crazy, but a new Bitcoin bull run is starting. I think we're going to head up towards 50, 40, 50K, consolidate around there until maybe around the halving, maybe go to around 60K until around the halving, and then go up to 80K around then after the halving. I do think we are going to see 80K or more per Bitcoin this bull run. I know it sounds crazy, but this is absolutely happening, and we do have the technicals to back it up. So let's go ahead and back up and see what we're looking at here. So first of all, let's go ahead and turn on the weekly chart. First of all, we have weekly MACD green. Last time we had green weekly MACD, we had this run up and we had this run up here. Both bull market run up. So this was a bull market run up, and some people say this was a bear market and this was a bull market, or some people say all of this was a bull market and this was all the run up. But either way you look at it, we had this run up here and this run up here with these two green MACDs. Now we have this run up here, and the price target that we have for the falling wedge that you guys see and you're looking at right now. So you want to take the high from the low to get the price target from the falling wedge that we're in, this falling wedge right here that we had a classic breakout, then the retest and the breakout of. Now you go ahead and move that to your breakout point, and this will give you the target for your falling wedge, which puts us around 80K. Now there is other things like math equations that gives you around 80K as the price target for this particular breakout. And that is why I'm thinking we could hit 80K. So let's go ahead and put on the super trend and see what other indicators we have telling us that we could possibly see a massive run. So we have this buy signal here on the super trend. It gives you buy and sell signals based off a couple of metrics. As you guys can see, we have the buy signal right here, and look what we have now on the weekly time frame. Buy signal right here. This is extremely bullish, telling me that a move is coming, a large move is coming for Bitcoin. If we look at Ethereum, we also have those same buy signals and same green MACD signals showing us that a massive move is coming. So I believe altcoins and Bitcoin is going to see a massive move. I think Bitcoin is going to move a little bit first because of Bitcoin dominance. As you guys can see, Bitcoin dominance is up. As you guys can see up here, and the Bitcoin dominance is 44%. ETH dominance is 18%. So I think Bitcoin's going to move first. Then you'll see Ethereum make a move, but Ethereum is in also a great bottoming pattern. As you guys can see, it consolidated in this pennant, broke above the pennant, and now it's breaking out. Ethereum also in its own breakout as well. Things are looking very good for the crypto market. As you guys can see, huge gains in the altcoins market, 13%. And the other day we were seeing gains up to 250% in some of these coins. So we will see altcoins start to run, start to make moves. But the altcoin, the crazy altcoin season that everyone is looking for will happen when Bitcoin starts to get up around 40, 50,000, and everyone is confirming that the bull run is back on. That's when money is going to start pouring in the altcoins, and we could see massive gains for the altcoins as well. But right now, Bitcoin is leading the charge. But what I'm looking at is a continuation of this move, and I do think that we are entering a new bull run. There is still time. This is just the beginning, but lots of gains will be made during this bull run. Hopefully you're ready and been buying all bear market like I have. I've been accumulating a lot, especially in this range down here in the teens. I could tell that we were bottoming out, especially when FTX crashed, and then we had all those crashes and the Celsius crash, all those crashes, and all that did was, this was Terra Luna, this was FTX, all that did was bring us down to 15. I knew once FTX only brought us down to 15, and then we had this beautiful double bottom patterning also when we broke out of the falling wedge. And we have a pattern called a bump and go, where you take the sloping resistance. So if you go ahead and take the sloping resistance right here and then slope it down, once you break that sloping resistance, it's called a bump and go. Once you break that and break out of that, it's a bullish pattern telling you that a big move is coming to the upside. So all of those patterns were telling me that we were bottoming, also the bullish signals that were flashing and telling me that we were close to the bottom, so I was accumulating in those ranges. If we go ahead and look at the rainbow chart, you guys can see that this can tell you big long-term bullish or bearish markets. This is the whole entire Bitcoin chart. This is the whole thing. And anytime we move out of this blue range and into this green range, it is the bear market ending. And as you guys can see, we are moving out of that blue range and into the green range. If we go ahead and zoom in, you guys can see that the price target for getting into that blue range is about 28,000. So once the chart updates, you guys can see that once, now that we're at 29.3, we will be clearly into the blue range, which anytime traditionally shows us that we are entering a bull market. Is the early cycle of the bull market, but it is nonetheless entering the bull market. As you guys can see, anytime we enter that blue band or the greenish band range, that is the start of major runs. So as you guys can see, we entered the green band here, we entered the green band here, we entered the green band here, and we entered the green band here and had all of those major runs. And what's happening now, we are entering that green band, breaking out of it into that 29,000 range. As you guys can see, we're consolidating. Once this chart updates, it's going to show us in the 29,000 range, and this is 29,300, and at 29,300 is the new high. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin is making new higher highs, and it is the all-time high for Bitcoin in 2023, and this is high as Bitcoin has been since 2021 in the bear market. So guys, we've had a long bear market. This has been a long process, a long drawn out process, and there's plenty of room for Bitcoin and Ethereum to move to the upside. So let's go ahead and look at a little bit of metrics for these coins. As you guys can see, this is CoinGlass. This is showing you basically the open interest on Bitcoin, and as you guys can see, it is leveraged mostly to the long side. So I do suspect this move is going to continue. I believe that shorts just got wiped out, and we are seeing a little bit of a short squeeze pushing us up to the upside and pushing us to the upside pretty hard, and that is why we were seeing this breakout. Now if we go ahead and put on the Bollinger Bands, this is what's telling me that volatility was coming, and you guys can see that the Bollinger Bands got very, very tight, letting me know that volatility was coming. Now we broke above the bands, and we are seeing that squeeze type move that I was saying about when we seen this over leverage we seen shorts over leverage to the long side. They just got wiped out when it triggered all the shorts getting wiped out, and now we're getting pushed to the upside in a short squeeze type move. So guys, I do think we could easily hit 20 or 29,500. I do think 30,000 is in the cards, and even 32,000 is in the cards before a pullback, as crazy as that sounds. And I knew that we were going to consolidate and move to the upside, as crazy as that sounds. Everyone thought we were going to pull back, but that is not what happened, and I've been calling for this run. I've been saying we were going to hit 29 before we pulled back, 29, 30, 32. I've been saying we were going to hit those ranges before we see a pullback, and really we don't even have to see a pullback then. We could go straight to 40 or 50k in a parabolic type arc, which we are starting to form. As you guys can see, if you look on the daily time frame, we are absolutely taking off in basically a parabolic type arc. As you guys can see, if we were to go ahead and kind of draw that out, it would be shaped like this and kind of arc to a parabolic style like that. And this is absolutely what we're seeing Bitcoin start to do. So we could be seeing a parabolic style move here for Bitcoin here shortly. So guys, there are some fractals showing that we are following 2017's bull run as well. So things are very, very exciting for Bitcoin, and I do think a huge run is coming. If we look at the fear and greed, it is starting to move to the greed side. You need to buy when it's fearful and sell when it's greedy. So as you guys can see, we are moving to the greed side, and that is showing that the bull market is possibly coming. We've been pinned to the fear side. As you guys can see, lots of fear in the market, and now we are moving towards the greed, showing that the bull market is coming and we are right on track. So guys, this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I do think a new bull run is coming. I do think we are going to see momentum to the upside. Ethereum, I think, is going to hit $2,000, price target of $1,900, $2,000, before pullback, $2,100 dollars before a pullback, and maybe even see some parabolic movement of its own all the way to $2,500. So these are price targets I'm looking at for Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two main cryptocurrencies. So guys, that is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this. Remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. They'll be pinned down in the comment section in the description below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.